Number 31. During the first day of a canned goods drive, Jasmine's homeroom teacher collected 2 cans. During the third day, the teacher collected 8 cans. Let D represent the collection, each collection day, and let N represent the number of canned goods on that day. I'm already envisioning a table here. The day and the number of cans. Based on the situation, Jasmine claims that the number of canned goods collected can be modeled by an exponential function. So exponential. What is the number of canned goods collected on the 6th day based on an exponential model? Okay, well I'm just going to carry out this table. So on day 1, 2 cans. Day 2, it doesn't say. Day 3, 8 cans. Day 4, we have to find out 5 and 6. So since this is an exponential model, it tells us that you have to multiply by something to get to the next. So this one's missing. I have to multiply by something to get this, and then multiply by the same thing again to get this. And I've already figured out that it has to be 2. 2 times 2 would be 4. 4 times 2 would be 8. So if this is exponential, it'd have to be times 2. So that means this is 16, 32, 64. Okay. Because it's exponential, have to multiply by 2 each time, based on 2 and 8. So 64. Okay, part B. Ramon disagrees with Jasmine and claims that the number of canned goods collected can be modeled by a linear function. Which statement is true about the number of cans predicted to be collected on the 6th day based on the 2 models? Okay, so let's make another table. If we assume instead that this is linear, D and N, we knew it was 1, 2, 3. At 1 it was 2. At 3 it was 8. 4, 5, 6. So if it's linear, we need to add the same thing each time. Between 2 and 8 is plus 6, which means if we have 1 in between, it has to be plus 3. So that would be 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Okay. So, which statement is true about the number of cans predicted to be collected on the 6th day using a linear model is greater than that predicted using an exponential model? No. The number of cans predicted to be collected on the 6th day using a linear model is less than that predicted using an exponential model. Yes, that's true based on that. Let's just check what these other. The number of cans predicted on the 6th day using a linear model is equal to, no, it's not equal. There is not enough information to determine the relationship between the number of cans predicted 6th day using. That's not true. There is enough information. Based on what we know about exponential and linear, these are our 2 possibilities, since we don't know what was collected on day 2. So it was B.